Hello all. In this video, I am going to describe about what is BCNF. BCNF stands for Boycott Normal Form. It is the next one after 3NF. Already we have discussed in the case of your 3NF, we are aiming to remove the transitive dependencies and non-key to non-key dependencies. But in the case of your boycott normal form, the aim of your boycott normal form is to remove the key to key relationships. What is the main aim of your BCNF is to remove key to key relationships. This kind of key to key relationship will present if there exists more than one candidate key that is present in your table. If your table consisting of more than one primary key and if one primary key is dependent on another primary key, such kind of dependencies should not be there according to the rule of your BCNF. So the BCNF aims to remove the dependencies between one candidate key to another candidate key if in your table more than one candidate keys are there, and regarding that candidate keys, each and every candidate key consisting of more than one attribute and all of the candidate key sets are disjoint. There are no common attributes between the candidate keys. So if within your table, if you are having more than one candidate key, that is nothing but primary key is present and one candidate key is dependent on another candidate key, we should remove that candidate key to candidate key dependencies by using your BCNF. So the BCNF mainly aims to remove the dependencies between the candidate keys that are present in your table. So if the BCNF is applicable, if your table consisting of more than one candidate key and all the candidate keys are disjoint, as well as each and every candidate key, at least two of the candidate keys consisting of more than one attribute. Now we'll see with an example what is the meaning of that one and how to convert that into BCNF. So see, this is your table. My relation are consisting of, what are the attributes that are presented in my relation are city, street, comma, zip code. Out of these three attributes, what is the first candidate key? The first candidate key that has been given as city, comma, street. The second candidate key that has been given as zip code, comma, street. So already we have discussed the BCNF is applicable if and only if the table consisting of more than one candidate key. So within your table I am having two candidate keys and the candidate key should consisting of more than one attribute. So the first candidate key consisting of two attributes and the second candidate key is also consisting of two attributes, and while we seeing that one, though most of that one are disjoint, at least one of them are disjoint. So you can apply the BCNF. And what are the FDs that are having? I am having city, comma, state implies zip code. Zip code implies city. So see, city, comma, street, it is one of the candidate key. Zip code is one of the candidate key. So this type of relation is key to key relationship. One candidate key is dependent on another candidate key. So by seeing this one, you can clearly observe that your table is not in BCNF. Whenever the key to key relationships are existed within your table is not in definitely in BCNF. So in order to convert this one into the BCNF, we should have a procedure of decomposition to put into your BCNF. So we'll see how to convert that into BCNF by using the decomposition. So see, these are the three tables presented within your original table. In order to convert that one, what are the FDs I am having? What is the first relation I can have? I can have the subrelation R1 into zip code comma street. And the second relation as city comma street. If I am having this one, what is the another FD that is present within your table? Zip code to city is being missing. I can't have zip code to city. Why? Because zip code is present in the first relation and city is present in the second relation. So in the first, so what is the alternative procedure? I can have the first relation as zip code comma street, and within the second relation I can have zip code comma city. By using this one, what are the FDs I am having? The FDs that are present within my table are city comma street implies zip code implies city. Zip code implies city is non-key is presented on key. City comma zip code implies street, that is also non-key to non-key relation, not key to key relationship. That's how we have avoided the key to key relationships. The main aim of your BCNF is to avoid key to key relationships.